Good morning. Let's start now with laws of logarithm. So we're done with the three properties. Now let's move on to the laws of logarithm. We have three laws of logarithm, so please examine this. Let b be greater than 0 and b not equal to 1 because again b is our base. So that is the property of our base. And n be any real number. Suppose that our u and v must be positive. No? For u and v positive numbers, then we have these three properties. Number one is the log of the product is equal to the sum of the individual logs. No? Product, then sum. The log of the division or the quotient, the log of the quotient is equal to the difference of the two logs. And the last, if we have this expression with an exponent, then we can just put the exponent beside the logarithm. So if we go from left to right, we do some expansion. And if we go from right to left, then we do some condensation or condensing. Okay, let's have some example. So for number one, expansion. So I've written the three laws above. So let's expand letter A, for example 1. Take note, this is multiplication. So if it is multiplication, then we'll do the sum of the two factors. So this is now log of A base 10 plus log of B squared. Okay, are we done? No. Take note, we have an exponent, so we can use property number 3. So copy, this is now log of A plus 2 log of B. So that is now our final answer. Log of A plus 2 log of B. Okay, letter B. We have an exponent outside, so let's start with that. So bring down, copy. Okay, property, law number 3. This one. And then we have division, so we have law number 2. 3 log of 3 base 3 minus log of x base 3. Take note that this one is equivalent to 1 by property number 2. What is property number 2? Log of bx base b is equal to 1. So this is now 1 minus copy log of x3. And distribute. So this is 3 minus 3 log of x base 3. So that is our answer for letter B. And for letter C, this is multiplication. So this is just equal to ln x plus ln x minus 5. Okay, we cannot expand ln x minus 5. Take note, we only have product, division, and exponential. Okay, so let's have the condensation or condensing part. So this is plus, so law number 1, log of 2 times 3. So we have log of 6. Letter B, we have a number here. So let's start with law number 3, ln x squared minus ln y. Then this is minus, so division, x squared over y. This is law number 2. Okay, so whenever there is a number before the log or ln, you always start with law number 3. Okay, before going to law number 2 and 1. If 9 number before the ln or log, then use property number 3, law number 3. Okay, for letter C, this is minus, but there is a number before log, so let's apply first property 3. So this is now log of x cubed base 5. This is minus, so division 5, property number 2 or law number 2. And so by simplification, this is now 1 over x. So this is our final answer. Okay, now let's go to letter D. We'll erase this. For letter D, if you notice, 2 has no log. No, it is 2 minus log of 5. Now, in order for us to do some operation for this one, manually, we must transform 2 into its log form. So, we will use the property 2. Okay? So, here, we have this 2. So, we'll follow that. Our base is, based on this one, it must be base 10. So, what must be our expression here? What must be our bx? It must be 10, 2, right? So that is why we can transform this one. We write this one as log 10 squared minus log of 5. And this is now equal to what? Log of 10 squared over 5. Or this is equal to log of 20. Okay, so this is now equal to log of 20. Next, let's go to the change base formula. So let a, b, and x be positive real numbers with these properties, since our a and b are bases. Now in this form, so if you're given with this one and specified now base, so with a new base, say a, then we can separate x and b in this form. Log of x base a divided by log of b base a, like this. So let's just apply that one. So base 2, so this is our a's. So we will have log of 32, right, base 2 over log of, what is this, log of 8 base 2. Okay, so what is next? Compute 32 is, we can write 32 as 2 raised to 5. The other one is 2 cubed, right? Then by this property again, this is now 5 over 3. Okay, now for this one, you have log of 1 over 27 base 3 divided by log of 243 base 3. 1 over 27 is written as 3 cubed, right? But since this is 1 over 27, you can have the raised to negative 1. So this is 3 raised to negative 3. So we have log of 3 raised to negative 3 base 3 over 243 is 3 raised to 5. So this is now by this property again, negative 3 over 5. Okay, I will erase this. So let's have letter C. So again, this is log of 1 over square root of 5 base 5 over log of 25 base 5. So we can rewrite this one as log of 5 raised to 1 half raised to negative 1. So this is log of 5 squared base 5. So we can rewrite this one as log of 5 raised to 1 half negative 1 half base 5 over log of 5 squared 2. So this is now negative 1 half over 2 by this property again. So this is negative 1/4. Okay, next example 4, the same thing. log of 4 base 2 divided by log of 6 base 2. Okay, so we can rewrite this one as 2 squared over base 2. Take note, we cannot rewrite 6 as a base 2, 2 raised to something. So as is lang. So this is now equal to 2 by this property again above over log of 6 base 2. Okay, and lastly, letter B, we have log of 2 base e over log of 1/2 base e. So this is now ln 2. The other one is ln 1/2, right? Take note that ln 1/2 is a fraction, so we can rewrite that one as ln 1 minus ln 2 by the division property sa logarithm division law. And ln 1 is 0, property 1. Okay, ln 2, remember, log of 1 base b is equal to 0 even if it is ln log e. Kung log e, that is ln man, so ln 1 is also 0. So this is ln 2 over negative ln 2, so the answer is negative 1. So just follow the process. Okay, balik-balik lang yun ang process and do your activity.